Remove belly fat and lose some weight with this recipe. This is a cucumber spinach. Let's get started. I'll be using cucumber. Please remember to wash all your fruits and vegetables before you start any recipe. And remember to give this video a like. If you have any comment, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. And please watch this video to the end to learn the recipe. I'm done cutting my cucumbers, so let's start making our chia seeds. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Then I'll add it into a water. It's just a warm water, not cold. Then I'll mix until everything is well cooperated with the water, because I want the chia seed to be soaked in the water for 10 minutes. So I'll be using spinach. So I'm going to chop my spinach. You can use the spinach this way without chopping it, but I prefer chopping my spinach. That's cutting my spinach. I'm using 1 ounce full of spinach. I'm going to transfer my chopped spinach into a bowl. Then I'm going to show you all the ingredients used in making this recipe. These are our ingredients we are going to be needing for this weight loss drink. Add all your ingredients, like you add your cucumbers, your chopped cucumbers, then add your spinach. As I said, 1 handful of spinach. Then go ahead and add some water. These ingredients really need water, so we are going to blend until smooth. Please remember to share this video and give this video a like, and please subscribe and hit notification bell. Then after blending, I'm going to add it into a cup to enjoy this ingredient. You do not need to save this ingredients. Then I'm going to add my soaked chia seed. I'm going to mix this until the chia seed is mixed with the blended spinach and cucumber. You do not need lime for this recipe or lemon. You do not need ginger as well. Please enjoy this recipe. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section after trying it. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please leave a comment and subscribe, and see you next time. Please be safe.